What's going on, everybody? Austin Gotzi here, co-founder of Global Visionaries with
Arsalan Jan, founder of Global Visionaries.
And we are beyond excited to welcome you to the fastest, most successful, largest growing family in the entire company.
Open arms.
Now, the first thing you want to do on your steps to success is go to the globalvisionaries.com website. Now, once you get here, you're going to go to the Lounge tab, and you're going to type in the magic word, which is manifest. And then, guys, you're going to want to click the Launch tab, because this is where you're going to activate yourself and set up all your products, all your services, so you can start making money within the markets.
Guys, so obviously you're brand new, you want to figure out how can I start trading on the markets, right? So go to the Launch tab. There's a whole 72-hour checklist that you want to go through step by step and check off every step as you go through it, right? Here, you're going to be able to figure out how you can download MetaTrader 4 to your computer, to your phone, how to get set up with your broker, how to download Harmonic Scanner, how to download your live chat room, basically how to get everything set up, because you just bought a brand new car. You want to get in, you want to be able to smell the new car smell, you want to be able to get the seat comfortable to how you like it. Guys, make sure you go through the Launch tab and get every single thing checked off of the checklist before you guys go to the next step, which is the most important thing, which is the blueprint that my man Austin Gotzi created. If you want to touch up on it real quick.
Guys, your success is contingent on the system. Now, we've created this not because we made it up, but this has come from multi-millionaires in network marketing. You know, if you're gonna build a large organization, a large family, a very big team, you're going to have to learn the basics. Now, the blueprint's gonna go through step by step and teach you how to succeed in the business, how to share this business, and how to build and lead this business. Now, guys, I can't stress upon you enough, plugging people into this pinned post and getting them plugged into the website so they know exactly how to set up, see success right away, and get plugged in.
Guys, also this Facebook group page is very, very exclusive. We drop a lot of free value for the entire team. Guys, make sure no one's on this page unless they're an actual member, guys. You guys want to stay around the campfire. You guys can always stay surrounded, stay focused. You know, everyone that same like-minded goals and ambitions as you, right? So stay connected, guys. It's like your business is like a light bulb. If you are not connected, your light bulb is off. So you want to stay plugged into the conference calls, the training, the webinars, everything we got going on, guys. On the globalvisionaries.com website, everything is there in one spot. It's a one-spot hub. You have the opportunity side when you want to share this with somebody in the home page. You have the lounge for the newest person coming on board. You have the live room whenever we're doing these live calls. Everything is in one page. It's very easy for you to understand. One more thing I want you guys to remember: if you guys ever have any troubles, go through the GV support page. There's a Facebook page I have linked on this post, GV support. Like that page. If you guys ever have any questions or troubles setting anything up, just simply send a message to this guy and he'll be able to help you set up very quickly, right? Whether it's with the scanner or whatever you got going on. So with that being said, I want to say welcome to the family. Make sure you guys go through everything. To recap on it real quick, you guys want to go to globalvisionaries.com/lounge. right? You want to type in the password, which is manifest. You want to go to the Launch tab, go through the entire checklist, right? Once you got that set, go to the blueprint training, go through all the steps, take as many notes as you can. And guys, on that website, we also got the vault that has all the exclusive nuggets and secrets and audios and books all in one spot, guys. So with that being said, stay connected with me on Facebook. My name is Arsalan Jan, Austin Gotzi. If you ever need anything, simply send us a message, guys. And like I said, welcome to the family once again. You guys took that next step to your entire future, your destination. Remember, where you're at right now is not going to be your current situation right now is not where you're going to be permanently. You guys are headed down the right road with the right team, with the right people, right timing. And guys, the future is so freaking bright. We have sunglasses for it. That's how bright it is. So with that being said, I'll see you guys at the top. Peace.